How to create account on Openshot. Wondering if you need an account to use Openshot? Here's the scoop. Openshot is actually a fully open source application, so no login or account creation is required to use it. You can simply open the app and begin editing right away. But if you want to engage with the Openshot community, like submitting bug reports or accessing the forums, go to openshot.org and click on Community or Support. From there, you can sign up using a username, email, and password. Confirm your email to complete the registration. Now you are part of the Openshot community, ready to connect and contribute. You don't need an account for daily editing, but it's helpful if you want to get involved. Have you joined any open source project communities? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.